Hey guys, welcome to the 171st C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston. And in this tutorial we're going to be basically adding our contacts to both our list view and an internal list. So the first thing that we're just going to want to do here is double click on this Add Contact button. Alright, so then we're going to want to go up here and create a list that will hold all of our contacts. So I'm just going to say list, and it'll be a list of people, so we can use this person class right here. So person, and I'm just going to call it people and set it equal to a new list of persons or people. Alright, so we're just going to want to create a new person right here. I'm just going to call it P and set it equal to a new person. And then we're going to want to set all of these properties in here, and they will be whatever that the user sets. So we're going to say p.name equals, and then the person's name will be in this text box, so text box 1. We can just say text box 1's text right there, and then we can say that their street address will be equal to text box 3's text, so text box 3's text, and then we can say their email address will be equal to text box 2's text, which is this text box. So text box 2's text, and then we can say that their birth or their date time is this date time picker's value. So we can say p.birthday equals date time picker 1 dot value, and date time picker 1 is just this right here next to the birthday label. And then additional notes we'll store in the additional notes property, so we can just say p.additional notes equals text box 4's text, so text box 4 text. Alright, so now we're just going to want to add this person to this people list right here. So we're going to say people.add, then this person that we just created. And we're also going to want to create a new list view item and add it to this list view right here. So we're going to say list view 1 dot items dot add, and since we're only going to be having one column right here, we're not even going to have columns, it's just going to be basically a list of people's names. We can just put a string in here, so p dot name. Alright, so now when we debug here and type in someone's name, Adam, email address at gmail.com, street address, mains, no, let's put a number down, main, street, birthday, I'll leave it at that, and additional notes, blah, 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 and just click add contact, and then it'll add that person right there. And the last thing that we're going to want to do is just clear out everything, all the information in here. So we're going to say text box 1's text equals nothing, text box 2's text equals nothing, text box 3's text equals nothing, text box 4's text equals nothing, and we're also going to want to reset the date time picker to the current time. So we're just going to say date time picker dot value equals date time, date time dot now. Alright, so now when we go ahead and add a person to this list box and to our list, or our people list up there, it should just clear everything out of here. So just type Adam, random notes, and click add contact, should just clear everything out. Perfect. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial, so see you guys.